Herald delivered. Black coffee on the ones and twos. That's how we begin. That's how we wake up and begin episode two. Episode two, and we're still going on. Yes, with CSA and Herald newspaper. There's a lot happening. We do this every day because if it's South African, it is newsworthy because there's scandal here. There's scandal. It's crazy. So let's get to it right away on the first issue on the Herald. We are in Gqeberha. We are in Gqeberha and we cannot kickstart a Tuesday with the Herald newspaper without talking about Gqeberha. The major thing about Gqeberha is crime. Crime is serious here. Crime is huge. No one is safe. No one is safe. If you're gonna open a newspaper in Gqeberha, just best believe you're gonna see some you're gonna read about some criminal activities that happened the previous day. There's always something fresh when it comes to crime. And this time around, the Livingston Hospital got robbed. Security guards, three security guards. This time they robbed security guards. They robbed security guards midnight, text up a phone. They took their phones. Midnight, they came through the main gate straight to the securities. They got guns, and you know, securities, they got batons, they got guns. It was three ladies working night shifts. Three ladies, Charlie's Angels, got robbed at the Livingston. And reading the issue on the Herald, it says they are saying it's not the first time. It is not the first time this is happening. Uh, they robbed the IT department, taking their phones and laptops. They robbed the IT. So these criminals, they like gadgets. They understand the market very well. They understand what's in demand right now, laptops. And you would think they will take the medication. No, they know the market straight to the gadgets. So three ladies got robbed last night, and the crime need to be stopped, guys. It needs to be stopped, especially in that hospital. It needs to be stopped before it gets to the nurses. It needs to be stopped before it gets to the nurses. Must stop it. I know I have a crush on the nurses, but they make sure this doesn't happen to the nurses. The nurses are going through the most in the dating world, being taken advantage of. They don't need this. They don't need this at work. They don't. Hey, women in uniform, whites, they don't need this. So make sure it doesn't get to the nurse. Fix everything you need to do. The patients are good. The patients, I know the patients are good. No, they are panicking though, but why? They are good, but make sure it doesn't get to the nurses. The next story, but reading this Herald, it's like today's issue. It's a movie, dog. Like there was Charlie's Angel on the previous. This one reminds me of Set It Off, Queen Latifah, Jada Pinkett, Vivica Fox, and the fourth lady. I didn't know that South African version. Mdantsane. The moment I heard Island and Mdantsane, I was like, yeah, they were not gonna get away. This one was this one they were gonna get caught. So an amount of money that was meant for land claimants, like I'm sure it's people who are being compensated for a land situation, which I can't explain, but it was not explained that deep, but it was meant for those people. But a government official decided no, it's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. We are keeping this money, me and my family. So yes, 13 million, it was distributed. I know when government officials are stealing money, the presidents in most countries and ministers, when they steal a country's money, they send it to a Swiss account. I don't know whether it's in the movies or not in reality, but I think when the state money is being stolen, when you steal that money, you send it to a Swiss account, but not this one. not the Tanzania minister, not this one, not the government worker who stole 13 meter. No, distributed out amongst the family, among no Swiss account, family, including the worker, domestic worker. Bah, you understand? It was distributed like the day bam bam. Hey, hey, everyone got it and thought that she won't be found out. It's the lighting getting me sweat. Um, she thought she won't be found out. If I was a domestic worker, I would have left long time ago. So the story goes as Melusi sisters, not not set it off. It's Melusi sisters. They got caught. They are everyone who's involved or knew about this thing. A lot of them they are out now on bail. Total of 100,000, all of them. What if that 100,000 is part of that man? Now they are spending this money already, just escaping, jail. So they are out abakaya bam madoda. Oh, abakaya bam. Oh, intwana zam zabanjwa ziqala. So we have there's names. We have so there's names, right? We have Nozipo, who's 55. We have Spogazi. No, no, no. Nozipo is 58. Spogazi is 55. You could tell these ladies were, it was a pension fund that we're working on. Like it's about that time. And Nonzame is 27. Nonzame is the youngest, 27, but her name is the oldest. Nonzame is supposed to be 58. With that name, Nonzame is 27. Nonzame, while the other ladies were working for the pension, Nonzame was working for the beginning of her life. The life was about to start for Nonzame. Nonzame was working to be on I Blew It. Nonzame was gonna spend that money like those people who spend it like the rough money. You know that rough money? Nonzame was gonna spend it fast. She already had a budget. 4 boyfriends, Deben. Deben is always included. I can imagine Nonzame's plans with that money. Deben, Cape Town. Nonzame, Nonzame was going to the beach, bruh. Nonzame ebengazuhlala ebuhlanti. Nonzame was not gonna drink at where's this place? Ekoneni. Nonzame was gonna chow that money at Buccaneers. Nonzame was ready. Nonzame was booking BNBs and Airbnbs already. 27 and 13 million rands. Nonzame was ready. Nonzame at 27. So the fourth lady was arrested in Cape Town. This is an East London crime. The other one was already in the Western Cape. She was already living the life. They said Western Cape, so I'm picturing nice now. You understand? I know Tanzania people, Bakaya Bam, I know was there mixing with white people because the moment black people get money, especially stolen money, boom, we are entering white people. So Nonzame was already, I'm sure Nonzame has content on TikTok. Some of that money, or the lady who was captured in Western Cape. I hope it's Nonzame because Nonzame is 27. Sure, Nonzame is the one who got caught in the Western Cape, already splurging. Already, already Nonzame. So now they are all out. They are all out. I don't know about the helper. I'm sure the helper is from the rural areas. The helper went and bought some goats and sheep, thanking the ancestors for criminal and ancestors. The criminals, it's like God. Like people, God is for everyone. The ancestors for everyone. The criminals, they're loyal to ancestors. Most loyal. Slaughter a goat. I'm sure the helper has already brewed umqombothi. The ceremonies have been done. And the helper was doing serious things with the money. So now they got caught. They got caught, and it makes sense that I remember when I was looking for a job long time ago. A township child's dream is to work for the government. That's a child. Like if you go to school, I want to work for the government. I want to be somewhere there. You understand? So, because it's a It's a proper job. There's benefits and whatnot. And then there were things like, no, it's not possible because people get hired. There's a lot of nepotism family. If your surname is, you know, might not. So hence we have Melusi sisters chowing the state money like that. So Tanzania, Bakaya, that was too quick. From the 13, how much was spent? How much was spent already from the 13? 13 meter. 13, I'm sure cows and goats. Yay! The ancestors were smiling. The ancestors were smiling when this money was spent. Uh, Kaiser Chiefs makes it to the Herald newspaper. You know the reason. Losing. We only make the news for losing. We are losing. 9 games in a row, losing. I just read about it. Losing. I haven't been watching. I don't want to watch because there's too much going on in the world. There's crime. There's corruption. There's load shedding. It's jolo. I just went through the classified, no jobs, and then on top you're a Kaiser Chiefs fan. I'm just listening. Read about the coach saying, no, it's not. It's a big team, Kaiser Chiefs. It's not. We are rebuilding, so it's not gonna take 6 to 7 months to rebuild. It's gonna be. It's gonna take longer than that. So we are gonna lose. We are yet. We are being prepared for more losses. More losses. Let me say this. I don't know much about soccer. I don't know much about soccer, but this is what I can say is I know when soccer was soccer, when I used to watch soccer, when Kaiser Chiefs was Kaiser Chiefs. I know this Kaiser Chiefs is like the Melusi sisters who just squandered the state money because they are also a family business. That I know, but I know Kaiser Chiefs when Kaiser Chiefs was Kaiser Chiefs, bro. I don't question the talent of the current team. I don't question the coach. I don't question much. I just think the players are too clean. The players are too clean. They are too focused. The coach is complaining that the team is playing 3 games a week. What is there to complain about? 3 games a week is like 90 minutes. 90 minutes times three. Yeah. 90 minutes times three, bruh. Complaining about that. And the people with the broken hearts, us, they are working 9 to 5, 6 days a week, or even more hours, working more hours, bruh. But they still watch. And you're complaining about 3 games. The problem now, the rebuilding is the problem because there's been too many coaches saying the rebuilding thing. Rebuild. We've been rebuilding. We are not rebuilding. We are losing. We are losing. We are losing. We are losing. We're not rebuilding. I have one advice for Kaiser Chiefs because I remember when Kaiser Chiefs was Kaiser Chiefs. When Kaiser Chiefs was Kaiser Chiefs, there were scandals. These players are too clean. These players are too focused. No, they seem scared. Mm-mm. We need a scandal. This team needs alcoholics, womanizers. This team, this team is too clean, man. When Kaiser Chiefs was Kaiser Chiefs, we had stories. Chabu Pule would be drunk the whole 90 minutes and score goals. Supply, score goals. Papa last. Papa last on another level. Score goals. This one, too clean. Need Jabu Pole as an assistant coach with Lerato Shabangu off the field. Just take them to a strip club. Because sometimes I see these players when they get injured on the field, it's always a male doctor running and then they spray that thing and then they rub them. Sometimes a massage does not need to come from a professional. That's what I'm saying. Jabu Pule knows this. Sometimes you just take the players to summit. You just take the players. I remember a losing season as a Kaiser Chiefs. fan. Losing season we once had. Our goalkeeper. Easy goals, weak goals were going through him. Like easy. Like, what's going on with Kune? What's going We did not blame Kune. We understood what he was going through. He was going through a breakup. Kune, Itumeleng Kune was going through a breakup. So we didn't blame him. We blamed Mini Dlamini. And then Kune healed. Next season, we healed with Kune. Kune was saving. You understand? His kicks were directed to the striker. This guy was a goalkeeper supplying goals and saving goals. This guy became player of the season, coming out of a heartbreak. These players are not going through anything, dog. There's nothing. They are too clean. We don't need a new coach. That team needs Gordons or Allback needs alcoholics, bruh. I remember even Chabupule when he went through his spiritual situation, he was an alcoholic, was drinking and scoring, changed his surname from Pule to Mahlangu and still scoring goals. No, man. No. It's alcohol. The team needs a heartbreak. We need one player. One player who's a rock star. We can change all these coaches. Let these players be. These players are too serious. These players, I'm sure they go to church every Sunday. They don't skip. Take these players. Take these players to a strip club. I have no other ideas now. Because when you see the Chiefs logo, you know we are associated with losing. You know we are associated with losing. We need a scandal. Bro. We need a player disappearing and coming back. Even Chomo Sono back in the day. Chomo Sono had a life outside football. Chomo Sono scored a winning goal, I think, back in the day. He went to his wedding. He had a wedding. Went to his wedding. His team was losing while he was getting married on the other side. It's like a movie. True story. He was getting married and then they called him like, bruh, please come and save us. He got into his Toyota Corolla. I don't know. Brr, went to the stadium, got dressed up, kitted up, easy, went to the field, banged in 2 goals. They won. They won. Lera Tomashang, go to a strip club, drinks the whole night, sleeps 1 hour, comes to the play to the field, plays amazing, bangs in goals. Babalas go back to sleep. That's all I can say for case of Chiefs, bro. We need a scandal. We need a scandal. This rebuilding, we must destroy. We must destroy and cause 9 games, bro. Back to back, back to back. I don't have any ideas. I don't have any ideas. Maybe this time we need the coach to be the coaches from Tunisia. We need the coach to be taken to a star. The coach must drink Gordons. Bruh. Because that Muti we always put by the goalpost. I think that Muti needs chaos, bruh. You can't win with being clean. That Muti you put there, bruh, no man. Mm-mm. These players, bruh, you can't be beaten. You can't tell me a drunk Pule is better than you guys. Steve Lekolea would score a goal, a free kick from a long distance, bruh. One shot, back in it, and then runs to the line and looks at the VIP section where his whole management is there and just demands payment. He was toying while playing. Scandal. Do something. Do something. They are too clean. I don't have any. I don't. I don't have any advice now. That's all I can say. Kaiser Chiefs, just drink, bro. Just do some. Get your hearts broken, bro. You mean are you guys dating people who really love you? Like, bro. You need You need to be broken and then come back strong. But now we're gonna change coaches for what? Ah, man. Yeah. See, I said we always here. We always here. Taking talking about today's everyday's herald stories. Beautiful, man. If it's South African, it's newsworthy. This is not a boring country. There's always something dope happening, and Herald is one of those amazing newspapers around. And they also are available on their website. You can subscribe and get your news daily as well on their website. So the link is on my no, it's on the description. Link is on the description, and also PE, my one man show for 2 nights at one room. It's a stand up comedy show, beautiful show. Did it in Cape Town, got some standing ovation nicely for 2 nights. So guys, let's do it 2 and 3 May at the one room, number 54 Westbourne Road. See you there. Tickets at CompuTicket.